Hi everybody, Jeff Yasteen here. Well, so far so good. The more I see stock activity in 2020, the more I believe that this year will be the year that emerging markets move front and center stage for US investors. Now, since the start of the year, an ETF like the iShares Emerging Market Index has posted gains of 2.6%. That's almost twice that of the S&P 500. Likewise, since August, the fund is up 16%. That's 3 percentage points better than the US index. Better yet, at a recent $46 a share, the fund is still trading below its last attempt at making new all-time highs in the $58 range. Now, here's why that's important. Owning individual stocks with lots of growth, but at an undervalued price, such as those stocks that are in my Total Wealth Insider portfolios, that makes a lot of sense. But the rise of the major indexes like the S&P 500 are increasingly being driven by gains in just a handful of key, very overvalued tech stocks, such as Apple, for example. So that means that investors today are paying an ultra premium price to own shares of Apple, which relative to its profits, Apple has a price earnings ratio of 23, which is its highest metric by that measure since 2007, when Apple's revenue and profit growth were growing far faster than they do now. So all of this increases the likelihood of a much steeper sell-off somewhere down the road when the same crowd realizes that they've overpaid for Apple shares, again, relative to its overall profit and revenue growth. And that's a topic that I've warned about before, as recently as last month in my 3 shocking predictions for 2020. Emerging market stocks, on the other hand, remain out of favor with investors, and that's despite, in many cases, offering growth rates that are far in excess of their US counterparts. Put simply, I believe that emerging market stocks are likely to outperform US indexes for the foreseeable future, as well as offering more downside protection in whatever correction we might see along the way. If you like what I'm talking about, make sure to follow me on social media, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow us on BanyanHill.com. I'm Jeff Yasteen, wishing you the best of good buys.